Hey folks, Lucas Welsh here again, and we got a review for you today on these tuners. These are the Stewmac Golden Age tuners. So stay tuned, we're going to get into it. All right, so I am on location in northern Saskatchewan at a wonderful fiddle camp, Fiddly Camp, and I've got this old Gibson LG0 that's on consignment here in the shop, and the old tuners were in rough shape, and so I talked with the customer, and I mean you can see that one is just bent there. That was the G string. It was bent so bad you couldn't use it. Talked with the customer, and we decided that, you know, it would be a good upgrade and a good replacement on this guitar to try out some new strings. So we ordered up a set of these Stewmac Golden Age tuners, and we just finished installing them here. And you know, the worst thing that you could have happen is that they don't fit, right? I mean, that's the nightmare. And that wasn't the case here. You know, they, well, it wasn't. There's a couple things, right? You got two parts that fit. The posts, the actual tuning posts, which dropped right in. And in fact, I didn't even remove the old ferrules. They're pretty tight in there, and I didn't want to risk damage. And I thought, you know what? Why? They're original. Let's keep them. The Golden Age tuners do come with new ferrules, but it's like, you know, I don't know. I didn't feel like it was detrimental to the functionality of the tuner that I changed them. They fit nice. There's no wiggle in the post. So now I will say, and I read reviews on these before I brought a set in, and a lot of people were saying that for the LGO, the 1 and the 2, that these dropped right in. They were just a straight replacement. And while they did drop in very nicely, fit perfect, the screw holes did not. So the only screw holes that actually fit were the bottom two here. So I wound up having to plug the rest of the screw holes, re-drilling, and putting new holes. All in all, not a big deal. You know, it was a quick and easy job for a great upgrade on these. I went with just, you know, kind of the antique nickel finish, because they didn't put high-end tuners on these guitars initially. They put plain Jane tuners on these guitars. I mean, the tuners that came out of it are as plain Jane as you can possibly get. They function great. They work great. All in all, this is a win. This is a great win for all these old Gibson guitars, you know, or a lot of these fit, you know, like the K and Harmony guitars too, but I haven't had any experience with that myself, so all I can say is for the LGO, they worked. Cheers.